For over 100 years, the iconic marquee of the Crump has long been a standout feature of southern Indiana and manages to carve out a distinct identity, even in a city that prides itself on its diverse and groundbreaking architecture.
The Cliff Notes version of the history of this building is, it actually turns 135 this year. So it opened as an opera house in 1889 and then went through a reno in 1920 to be just a movie house. And then again in 1941, which is all the Art Deco lobby and like the front of the building that you see now.
Due to decades of low maintenance, the theater had to be closed in 2014. However, in the past few years, there has been a massive renovation effort, completely spearheaded by volunteers in the community.
I got the keys in October of 2019 as a volunteer, just trying to figure out what the real issues were with the building and could we address them and get this place back on its feet. September of 2020, Shaylee Derringer, her senior project was for here, and on a Saturday we had over 100 volunteers show up to help us clean out the building.
I really just started at the very beginning of it. When I was a kid, I really wanted to do my senior project with the Crump. So we had a bunch of volunteers come in and started tearing out carpet, cleaning out different closets that didn't have anything useful in them. So basically just kind of the groundwork so that they could get started on everything else. When I started my senior project, we had 6 people coming regularly. So the fact that it's grown as much as it has and there's a lot more work being put into it by people in the community definitely makes me excited.
The theater finally reopened in late 2023 with larger-than-life plans to restore the building to its former glory and to live up to the expectations of the people and future of Columbus.
So it's really cool to have the community involvement in Columbus and to be reached out to by people reaching out to guys outside of just the Columbus area to come in and witness the majesty. I'm from the Greenwood area, but I would say it's a pretty rare occurrence for especially the younger crowd to be involved with things that are happening locally.
What will it be? It will be a performing arts venue. So you'll see everything from movies, plays, comedians, concerts, you name it.
It's a cool legacy to live on, making sure that we're doing the best that we can in the community and as the younger generation to try to get this place up and running again. I could not be more excited for it.
If the youth isn't involved, then the art of playing live music and being involved within the community starts to go away. I think you should go to the Crump and watch a show whenever you get the chance.